The family of 5-year-old Danique Salmon is calling for increased efforts to assist in capturing the men responsible for her shooting death in Doheny Park, St. Andrew last week. As O'Shane Masters reports, the opposition also visited the family and is again raising concerns about the country's crime problem.
The family of 5-year-old Danique Salmon is still trying to come to terms with her death. Salmon was shot and killed in her sleep last Thursday morning in New Haven, Doheny Park, some minutes after 1 o'clock. Her mother, Carrie Ambrose Salmon, says her daughter should be celebrating her 6th birthday at the end of this month.
She said she wanted unicorn. I ordered the unicorn stuff for her. They arrived yesterday and no then for the party. I shouldn't be planning my baby funeral. I should be planning her birthday party.
She says her daughter had dreams of becoming a scientist. Mrs. Ambrose Salmon says Danique would render assistance to her family members if they fell ill, only now to see her daughter's life being cut short by hoodlums.
I not lie. I wouldn't mind on help catch them. I wouldn't mind on help catch them. Please, please. No mother not supposed to bury them 5-year-old. She not living a life yet.
Opposition leader Mark Golding, who visited the family over the weekend, said these rampant acts of criminality show that the government does not have crime under control.
It's all too common all across Jamaica because of the lack of any program to address this sort of thing and tackle it head on. And consequently, all we are left with is inadequate law enforcement measures which do not protect the people.
He says this is evident as the homicide rate has gone up more than 10% since the start of the year. Opposition spokesman on national security Peter Bunting believes that the lack of social intervention is a major cause of the rampant acts of criminality.
But we need some balance in the approach to combating crime long term. It can't only be crime control measures, more police and soldiers. It has to be some crime prevention measures, investment in building the infrastructure in these communities.
He further notes that budgetary constraints cannot be blamed for a lack of intervention from the Andrew Holness administration in effectively dealing with crime.
The capital budget of national security has been more than twice education and health combined. So it shows that it's not a lack of resources, but somehow it's being misprioritized.